key steps. Step number one, you have to learn data science skills. Now, this should be a no-brainer. I'm not going to spend much time on it, but things like math and calculus and statistics and programming language and data visualization tools, and like we just talked about, those soft skills. So often, brilliant people with high IQs, you got all the complicated stuff, struggle with the art of storytelling, the ability to be able to come to a layman like me and say, okay, this is the problem that you have. This is the algorithm I ran. This is the model I created, to put some structure to this unstructured question. And part of that is not only storytelling, it's also business acumen, being able to figure out what are the KPIs, what is the vision of this company, and how can you help them get to the next level for their business goals. And so all of these things are important.